Hey there, buddy. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Friday, March 13th, and we're going to take a look here at NBIS. This is a trade we had earlier today. I just closed this, got stopped out on my runners, but this was a long setup, and we were looking for a breakthrough previous daily high to trigger what we call a bull flag after a retest. So earlier this week, NBIS broke out on the news that they had partnered with NVIDIA, and we popped through all the resistance. We pulled back and retested it. And then we added initial positions, starter positions yesterday, and then built onto those or added onto those this morning as soon as we broke yesterday's high with a target of 115. So we actually exceeded that 115 target by a pretty good amount, went all the way up to 116.5. But overall, the trade worked out really well. Now what we're watching for is, can this really hold on to the gains? If you drill down to like a 5-minute chart and look at what we're doing on a 5-minute basis, we've just been kind of consolidating since the initial pump this morning, and we're waiting to see if this is going to be able to break out of this consolidation. So I'll look to re-enter this if we can get back above 115.25 and try to hold it over the weekend. However, I will say this, just keep in mind any swing trades you're holding over the weekend, you want to be really careful with because of the risk for news to come out over the weekend that can cause a lot of volatility. So just be aware of that. I've been holding very little overnight and for swing trades here recently, especially with how choppy the market is. It's gapping down, then rallying back up, then turn around and selling straight back down again. So be careful with that overall. But that being said, NBIS ended up being a pretty good trade. We closed it for like 30, I think it had 33% profit on our calls from yesterday, and then about 14% on May calls from this morning that ended up working out fairly well also. But overall, not a bad day this morning. We had trades in NBIS, BMNR. We're in a starter position in CALM, waiting on that inverted head and shoulders. We had MU that played out decently. And then we had hedges in Ethereum and Bitcoin that also worked well as soon as we rejected that breakout level on Ethereum and pulled back. So not a bad day overall for trading. But that's it for today. Hope you all have a great weekend. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, if you want to join us in the trading room and get these trades live, all you got to do is go to bctnow.com/join, and you can get access to it for 30 days for less than a cup of coffee. But that's it for now. See you in the next one. Until next time, everybody, happy trading.